14. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you, this is pretty much going to be like almost a full process on how I do my silk press at home. I already washed my hair, so that's the only thing I didn't do on camera is wash my hair. But other than that, I'm going to blow dry, straighten my hair, do all that here on camera, and I'm just going to update you all because I have cut my hair. My hair was down like in the middle of my back. I cut it up here. So yeah, so real briefly, I'm just going to quickly explain. I make sure I wash my hair, clarify it, moisturize, shampoo, and also do a deep conditioner each time. And I've been really like trying to emphasize making sure I deep condition my hair, since I mainly wear my hair in a straightened state. I mainly wear my hair in a straightened state, so I try to make sure I stay up on a deep conditioning. Yeah, it's deep conditioning. Nothing's to my hair right now. It's all what we say is nothing in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, and it's like shorter than I'm usually having. I think the last time I really cut my hair was like 2021, and I cut it even shorter. But my daughter's like, don't cut your hair shorter, and my mom, which normally my mom never says anything about my hair. But anyway, so I'm using the Color Wow Dream Cocktail leave-in treatment. I make sure I do a leave-in treatment every time. So guys, when I do straight, because I keep my hair straight for most part, I really emphasize on protecting my curls just in case, because every once in a while I do revert it back to like doing like a twist out or something like that, or sometimes I just want to rock my curls. So I like to have my curls when I want to wear my curls. So I'm using Color Wow leave-in conditioner, generous amount on my hair. I always start like kind of towards the ends, and then now I kind of like rub whatever's left here. And this stuff smells so good, really good. Follow up with the Dream Coat. So I use 2 thermal protectors for my hair. So I use this. I'm really low on this, so I can't use as much as this product because I really love it, but I'm trying to get it started. Then I'll use something like a silicone drop, kind of to give it its luster or extra protection. So I either use BioSilk, which I do have, but I forgot I used to use the African Pride or Free Shine silicone crystal drops. I used it in my last straightening I just did, and I really liked how my hair turned out, so I totally forgot I had like a new bottle of this, so I'm going to use this. Sometimes I also use like an oil, so you can use whatever oil of your choice. Again, you really want to do this depending on your hair type and also your hair density. Like if you have fine hair, I really would skip this step. Even when using the silicone drops, you just kind of want to be careful not weighing your hair down too fast. For me, my hair is like kind of in between that in certain areas, but I like to yeah, I kind of like to put a little oil on my hair, so, and then I kind of like rub it on my scalp because my hair do be a little dry sometimes. I used to cheat. I can't cheat on the cheat right now, so I definitely. My hair is already divided. I just kind of like flip that up. I use the Conair, I think this is the Curl-in-One collection blow dryer, but I use the round brush attachment. It really gets my hair straight, really get in those strands of hair, and it has a great bounce and a flow to it, making it a perfect foundation for straightening my hair. So loud, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get quiet and try to do a few sections here on camera because, you know, it's just, I think I already had put this up here, my process up here, but again, I'm just kind of refreshing y'all on what I do. Real quick, with my blow dryer, I do not put it up on high. just in the very end, I probably just put it on high for like a couple of seconds just to really get like to my end, especially since they like blunt cut. As you can see, it kind of look crazy at the end, but take a pressing comb. I normally don't do this, but I'm doing this for my roots because I want my roots to last. So I'm gonna take a pressing comb and just kind of quickly go through my roots. So I'm just now about to go ahead and flat iron. So this is taking me longer than usual, but that's because I'm recording. So I'll put my flat iron on 410. Turn my flat iron down just a little bit, just to bump the ends a little bit more, and that's it. It's bone straight. My hair thinning right here, so I don't have any thickness right here anymore. So, but I'm gonna make it do. I could put like a clip in, but guys, I could tuck it behind my ears and. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.